Did you know space has its own unique soundtrack? Let's dive in. Unlike the silent scenes from sci-fi movies, space is surprisingly vibrant with sound if we think about electromagnetic waves as vibrations. Now, in a vacuum, traditional sound waves can't travel. However, celestial bodies emit frequencies that can be interpreted by special equipment into familiar sounds. Imagine the hum of a black hole, or the rhythmic pulses from a pulsar. It's like the universe has its very own orchestra, playing an enigmatic symphony tailored for those who can truly listen. It's the science of turning the cosmos' hidden songs into something human ears can perceive, painting a vivid soundscape of the cosmos. Curious about the sounds of other galaxies? Hit subscribe for more cosmic wonders.